welcome back. Here we have another, I guess technically an unboxing, but more of an admission that I have a problem. I have a problem and I need to talk to somebody, but until then I'm just gonna keep buying these things because these things are a lot of fun. This is the 5th one to the fleet, and I do have a plan for most of them, so this isn't just me buying one for the sake of buying one, but I promise I have a plan. Is it a good one? Who knows? But I do have one. So sit tight, we'll open this thing. Alright, I'm gonna not spend too much time going over the unboxing. I've already opened a couple of these on the channel, and you're probably pretty familiar with them by now. Got this guy, which is good. Yellow. Looks nice, but we're not going to be using that body. Nope. This one actually is being replaced right now with this one. This one I had painted in Ford Eruption Green. It's a really pretty color. I got the tinted windows on here already. Did the roof in gray, and ta-da! So that is that one. Now my plan. So this one with this one, these two are going to be more scale builds, more realistic. I don't have a lot of plans of going hardcore crawling with this one, nor this one, because it's a bit top heavy. So I have got these bronze trio wheels for this guy, and tires as well, and these for the Range Rover. So I've already got some Endura 56mm crawler tires, same ones for both of these. That's what we'll be using. And as far as this guy, this one is going to be more the serious crawler. It's all right, let's try that again. So this one here is going to be more the serious crawler. I've already got Endura brass wheels on it. Got the brass diff covers. Endura purple 180 48 turn motor. I've already got the Endura crawler gears in this one as well, and this one going forward I've already got Endura sealed bearing kits. That's going to be going in there in a future video, and while I'm in there we'll also be installing these metal gears from TRX, and that'll be hopefully a video pretty soon. Got a lot of other little things going on, so hopefully we can get that one done pretty quick. This one is my daughter's Bronco. Her favorite color is pink. She uses it quite a bit. It's already got some scratches on it. However, this one has got a Pro Light kit and a light bar kit. We'll be installing on that one here very soon, probably maybe today actually. And the high trail here, this one, I've got some 64mm Endura swamp crawlers, but other than that, when I get the wheels for it anyway, other than that I don't have a lot of plans for this one yet. Open for suggestions for the 5 or 6 people who watch this channel. I appreciate you. Maybe give me an idea down in the comments about something I can do with that. I just like the truck. I've always liked the body. Also, now I have 2 bodies and no chassis for them. So not really sure what I'm gonna do with these. Maybe who knows, maybe I'll give them away or build something crazy out of one of them. But yeah, that's kind of an update on this little TRX-4M obsession I've got going on. I've got, like I said, I've got videos on all of these to some degree. Anyway, coming out, I really like this color. About to get these wheels and tires mounted on this one. I can't wait to see that. That's bronze against that green. It's going to look really good. But that's going to be it for this video, and I'll sort this mess out and see you guys in the next one.